In today's video, we will guide you through the process of drilling holes for parking sensors. By the end of this tutorial, you will have the confidence to install parking sensors on your vehicle like a pro. Hi, I am Sam, a drilling expert from Drilling Nerd. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Step 1. The first step is to determine the ideal locations for your parking sensors. Take your tape measure and find the center of the bumper. Mark this spot with a marker or a pen. Then measure and mark the locations for the remaining sensors based on the manufacturer's instruction. Step 2. To avoid any damage during the drilling process, it's crucial to secure the bumper. Use masking tape to protect the surface around the marked areas and prevent any scratches. Step 3. Now it's time to select the appropriate drill bit size. Refer to the instructions provided with your parking sensor kit to determine the correct bit size for your sensors. It's essential to use a drill bit that matches the diameter of your sensors to ensure a precise fit. Step 4. Put your protective eyewear and dust mask for safety. With the drill in hand, position the bit over the first marked spot and start drilling. Apply gentle, even pressure as you create the hole. Be patient and allow the drill bit to do the work. Repeat this process for each marked location. Step 5. Once all the holes are drilled, it's essential to clean them thoroughly. Use a small brush or compressed air to remove any debris or shavings that may have accumulated in the holes. This step ensures a proper fit for your parking sensors. Step 6. Finally, it's time to install the parking sensors. Insert each sensor into its respective hole and secure them in place according to the manufacturer's instruction. Make sure they are snug and properly aligned with the bumper. Once installed, test the functionality of the sensors to ensure they are working correctly. You have successfully drilled holes and installed parking sensors on your vehicle. Now you can park with confidence and avoid those frustrating bumps and scratches. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips and tricks.